Hey everyone, it's Brian Blakely here at Stonebridge Insurance, and I just wanted to take some time to talk with the first-time home buyers out there, or even people that are thinking about buying a home for the first time, about some of the things that are important when it comes to the process of what you need to do to make sure that the buying process goes smoothly. We work with clients every day who this is their first time buying a home, and we hear time and time again that they wish they had known some things before they started the whole process that would have made it easier and less stressful for them. Okay, so the first step is getting pre-approved or pre-qualified for a loan. And there's 3 reasons that you want to do this before you do anything else when it comes to buying a home. The first thing, when you go in and sit down with that mortgage broker, they're going to be able to tell you, after going through a series of steps, kind of get an idea what your credit is, how much you make, what kind of debt you have, those kinds of things. They're going to be able to say, okay, Mr. and Mrs. Client, here is the kind of loan, or here is the amount that we would be willing or comfortable with loaning you to go get a house. And that is vital, because if you go out and you're looking at homes that are really appealing to you, if you're not pre-approved for the loan, you may not know that you can't qualify to purchase that home, which can be a real letdown. So by going to the mortgage broker first, you can have them tell you, okay, at least for your first home, this is the loan we can give you, and this is what you're going to be able to afford. The second step is, once you kind of have an idea of what kind of home you can get into based on the loan that you can get from the bank, it's going to give you the ability to make an offer when the time is right. And especially like here in Kearney, houses are on the market for a matter of hours before they've got 2, 3, 4 bids, some of them asking overpriced because people are wanting to get into a home so bad. And so if you're in that situation where you walk into a home, you find one in your price range, and this is the home that you want, you need to be able to make an offer on that and be able to at least get a leg up where the sellers are, they say yes to you so that you can get the home that you want. And so being pre-approved, not only can you get the loan that you want, but once you figure out what that loan amount is going to be, it's going to give you an advantage, because now you can go in and you can make an offer and you can confidently say, this is what the bank's going to loan me. I've been pre-approved. Let's do this thing. And the third reason to go in and talk to a mortgage broker is because, especially for first-time home buyers, there may be some grants or some fund money available that can help with the closing costs and just the overall cost of purchasing the home. And so that's really one of the big advantages of a local mortgage broker. I know that you can go online and you can do some different things there, but it is really important to take advantage of someone that's going to sit down with you locally. You can go in, you can walk into their office, and you can sit down and talk with them. We've got a lot of great mortgage brokers, especially here in Kearney, and I'm sure that there's great mortgage brokers in every town that will sit down and they'll go through the process with you. They will talk you through it. Here's what you need. Here's the important things. And if they've got any grant money that is available, they're going to be able to offer that to you. So those are the 3 things. But one side note that I also want to say is, maybe you're in a situation where you're not looking for a home right now, but you're pretty sure that it's something that's going to be in the future, where maybe just recently married and you just got into your apartment, so it's going to be 11, 12 months before your lease is up. And so you're not necessarily looking right now, but what you want to do is go out and find a mortgage broker, someone, sit down with them and tell them, say, hey, this isn't something that's going to happen in the next few months, but we want to be ready for this when it happens. That way they can sit down with you and they can go through maybe what you need to do as far as cleaning up credit. If there's something that needs to be done there, maybe you need to build credit. So they can give you some advice on what you can do there. They can kind of give you an idea of maybe what you will qualify for before, months before you even start that process. And so just because you're not looking to do something in the next few weeks or next few months, even if there's a lot of time that's going to be in between when you're going to be looking for a home, it's always a good idea to be prepared and to go out and sit down with a mortgage broker so that they can work with you. And so when the time comes and you lease is going to be up on your apartment in the next couple months and it's time to start looking for a home again, you've already got the ball rolling and you've got that ready to go.